Alright. Okay. Feeding our friend here. Hang on. I put it too close for him. There you go. Right off the table. Look how he stretches his neck. Push it out there a little bit.
The part about Lake Forest that I was excited about was I liked the opportunity that we were going to.
Watch it. He took it from my hand. Give him one from your hand. A long one. That guy's funny. And they have good skin on them.
And they're like a chip.
Mm-hmm. Okay, one more by hand. Don't bite my finger though.
That's a fail one. That's all.
That part just kind of blows me away.
I should have filmed my ahi tuna. Look at the big guy out there.
We were in Big Bear.
One more? Give him one more. So he's on camera. Oh! You almost got your hand.